Hey people, so we are in Gokarna and Ayush, this is some chicken pizza and this is veg fried rice. Ayush, how do you find the pizza? We are at this place called Kudley beach.
Upside down 8 out of 10.
Okay, so that's how it looks. It's fried rice and we were just playing at the beach, and as you can see we are all wet, but and actually everybody ought to be, see that this is the whole group here and that's the food, and we've stopped, we are part of this trekking group called backpackers and city freaks, and I'm also tempted to Ayush, can you there's a cat, yeah, there's one busy cat who's roaming about. She's coming everywhere.
It's the best thing ever.
Yeah, so Ayush, you should offer your pizza to people, yeah?
No.